Hey everyone, what's up? What's going on? What's going on? How are you doing? I'm just excited to share a special update. It's officially been 1 month since I've been on my lock journey. I haven't even washed my locks yet. Hold your brakes, hold your horses, okay? I know. We're gonna get into that. But I also wanted to share with you that I'm not the only one on this lock journey. My 4-year-old son is also locked, and I wanted to share this experience with you all because it is so exciting to see our locks grow together. That just, makes everything worthwhile. He's only 4 and we both starting this together. And I'll be sharing with you guys the products that we've been using. I'll also be sharing with you how we've been maintaining our locks and some challenges. I ain't gonna lie, some challenges. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Leave in the comments below, how is your lock journey going? Let's dive in. And someone asked me, what is my favorite part about this lock journey? And I can honestly say that number one for me, since it's been an experience where I'm developing bonding with my son, that's how I can explain it further. That's the most favorite thing about this lock journey is this bonding with him, and especially watching his locks alongside mine. I love that we're sharing this part of our lives and just something we'll always have in common. When he grows up, as he gets older, as our hair grows together, it's not the same length, but it's pretty short, kind of like mine. I will be bringing him in because sometime next week I'll be doing a new video sharing his lock, showing you guys his hair. We both have 2 different textures. So my hair texture is predominantly 3C 4A. 3C 4A. He has 4C. 4B, 4C, more so 4C here. It'll be 2 in 1 in this channel now since we're both locked. I'm not just going to show you my locks, but also his locks, and he's only 4. So I would love to, I'm just looking forward to the future to see his lock transformation and also mine. The other favorites is that it has boosted up my confidence. Like, already been a confident person like before. But now, can nobody tell me nothing. Like, my locks have given me so much confidence as they're growing. And, I'm still in the beginning stages, but I feel more so connected to myself and my roots more so. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. So it's a journey of self-love and self-acceptance, with patience, and it's just been an amazing feeling on how something as simple as hair can actually impact you and make you feel so much better about yourself. Number 3 is just embracing my natural hair, which I had loved my curl texture. I loved it. I went from relaxed several years to doing the big chop. This is the growth from the 3rd big chop, and I've straightened my hair, and that's the number 1 reason why I had to my big chops 3 times, right? Because I wanted my hair straight, and then after that I started missing my curly hair, and then once I washed it out, it was damaged. There'll be some curly ends, and the rest will be straight. So it's just been embracing my natural hair. This is what God gave me, and this is what I gotta work with. You know what I mean? And one of the best parts of this journey is truly just embracing my texture and just loving it for what it is. Something empowering about just, letting my hair do its own thing without just constantly just trying to change it or just trying to control it. So that would be the 3rd one for me. I just love embracing my natural hair. This is what God has given to us. No matter the texture, no matter the feel, no matter the color, you know what I'm saying? That's something that I truly truly embrace about, you know, being on this lock journey. And lastly, I mean, there's more, just watching the transformation, right? The transformation is just incredible to watch over time. And from the starter phase to seeing my locks just thickening up. I mean, it's just been a couple weeks, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna see more changes throughout the months and the weeks that goes on and on and on, up until, you know, my first year, my second year, my third year. It's just amazing to see the progress hair will make in months to come. Right now is showing you guys the products that I've been using. I did my first set back in May. I didn't get my first retwist until 11 weeks because I wanted to get my first retwist for my birthday in August. So I decided to crochet it. The hair adage you use on mine, which is kind of similar to my hair, don't you think? Look, very similar in ways, but it was 2-strand twisted, right? She had installed it and put it like at the ends of the hair, like this, and this was my hair, and then she just crocheted with the crochet needle on my hair, right? It looked similar, but the feel was different. So I decided to take it out after about a week. So I waited 11 weeks for nothing. Essentially, that's what I did. This set, I'm not crocheting my hair. I'm gonna just let it do its natural thing. My hair is looking, give you guys a little 360. Let's get into the products that I've been using since I've been on my second set these past 4 weeks. Predominantly been using the two different mousses. These are, here they are, Crazy Sexy Curl and the Mousse Def. I love these products, I'm not gonna lie, especially as you progress towards your second, third, fourth, fifth, 6 weeks. Help tame the frizz. I ain't gonna lie, as soon as which one do I like the more? I feel like they both do the same. It gives you the shine that you need, and it also tames the frizz. Like, it puts everything right back. I'm 4 weeks and look at my hair. Okay. And as far as the lock-in gel, I love it. The only thing I'm gonna say is that that gel was pretty expensive. So there are other gels that I want to try out, because later on in the future I will be doing our retwist, you know what I'm saying, instead of going to the salon or having a loctician do it. But for the first few months, because it's still, you know, starter locks for us, leave down in the comments below what is the best lock-in gel to do your retwist. A lot of controversy. There's a lot of people that just use oil only. You know, for those who do use oil only, let me know, what is your experience like using the oil versus the gel? Worth educating myself on. So that's pretty much it for today's update. Thank you so much for tuning in and sharing this 1 month lock journey with me. And it's just been an amazing experience so far. And I can't wait to see how both my locks and my son's locks or just continue to grow. So if you're on your own lock journey, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And whether you've just started or you've had locks for years, let's just keep this conversation going. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss not one video from me, because I'll be in attack mode these next few weeks until my next retwist. I'll see you guys next week. Until next time, stay blessed and keep embracing your lock journey. Ciao, ciao. God bless you.